and welcome to my channel. So, today I am a little nervous-sighted because we're going to do a Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. However, I have noticed that, yes, I did do a little bit of sneak peeking, and I've looked at a lot of videos and Instagram pictures of what Beautylish has been offering this year, and it does make me a little nervous, just a little bit, but, you know, we're going to combat that a little bit. And if you couldn't tell, I'm wearing my little spa headband here. We're going to give ourselves a little spa time, a little masking time, a little R&R, as we are opening this very controversial box. If this strikes your fancy, please keep on watching. Okay, so considering the time, I decided that today's mask will be the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask, mostly because it is currently 3 in the morning and I need to take my butt to bed after this. So I'm gonna put on my skincare real quick and then put this on, and then we'll get into the Lucky Bag and see how this goes. Now that the sleeping mask is all on my face, I think I've kept us in suspense long enough. Let's get into this. There it is, you guys. Okay, so just like last time when I opened this box last year, this is actually my second time getting this box. I'm not going to read the card, but again, it's absolutely freaking adorable. Isn't he just the cutest? Okay, so putting that aside. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, I'm sorry, I had to show you guys this because it's something so incredibly cute. I could just not. Look at this little guy over here. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my gosh. I love the paper. I even saved the paper from last year, and I ended up wrapping a present in it, and it was too cute. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for what's inside the box. So, here we go. Pulling the paper aside. They wrap things excellently, but it also is slightly deceiving because, you know, they put so much paper that you're just like, what's in here? I don't even know. But here we go. Okay, so that's extra paper. Don't need that. I think this is it right here. Yeah. All right, here we go. Also, I forgot to mention, the box that I got specifically was the Deep to Dark box. So, that is actually really cool. So before I even open anything, I do want to throw out kudos to Beautylish for taking the time and effort to even offer a different version for people of deeper skin tones. I really appreciate that, so thank you. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. I want to look for something specifically first because I know everybody has been getting it, and here it is. Okay, so this is a new brand that is coming soon to Beautylish, case in point, and it is the... Great, this is the one that I wanted. This is from Good Molecules. This is the Super Peptide Serum, and I've been seeing that people have been either getting this one, the Super Peptide Serum, or the eye cream. And I'll be perfectly honest, I was really hoping for this one because this one honestly sounded far more interesting to me. And since I did get a caffeinated solution last year for my eyes, I wasn't really too intrigued to get another caffeinated solution, but I'm really excited to get this one. This is supposed to be formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. Ooh, I do love anything that targets dullness. So I'm super excited to try this out. Ooh. All right, so let's see what kind of brush I got here. I'm just gonna fish around until I feel it. Unless I don't feel it, and then I'll be scared. Oh, okay, there it is. You guys. Okay, so I got another Goss brush, and I'm actually going to put both my review video for last year's Beautylish Lucky Bag up here in the cards, or up there in the cards. I don't really care, but it will be up in the cards along with my Beautylish video from last year. But if you were with me last year or in my review video, you know that I actually received the number 15 Goss brush. I don't know why. Focus, camera. Oh my gosh, this is just too funny. Oh my goodness. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. In fact, I'm going to keep it in its packaging for right now. Goss is an absolute incredible brand. I did enjoy the brush from last year. I just don't know if I'm going to keep this specific one since it is a duplicate. So we'll see what happens, you know? So the rest of this, I have no idea what's going to possibly be in it, so fingers crossed. Alright, next up, I'm going to go with this big thing that I see here, and it is lashes in a box. Huh. I do wear lashes, so this is actually really cool. It does seem, oh, the brand is actually called Lashes in a Box. Apparently they are 100% handmade, 20-piece eyelash set for professional finish. So this is interesting. It does seem like they're all the exact same type of lash, which is this lash right here. So there's no variety, so that would be my only con with this, but it does mean that I'm going to have an excess of lashes if I didn't already. And since I do a lot of shows and things like that, it works for me, shoot. So, ooh. I'm excited for that. Alright, up next, I'm going to go for this thing that I see right here. Ooh, okay, this is from Sugarpill. I have never actually used Sugarpill before. This is a luxurious lip color in a unique liquid cream blend that keeps your lips feeling soft and sweet all day. Okay, so, this is in the color Strange Love. It's supposed to be a metallic sparkle finish. Ooh, let's see what this looks like. That's so cute. I like that color. It matches my headband. Oh my gosh! I love this color! Okay, so I know a lot of people probably wouldn't be really into this color, but I actually like metallic finishes. I know most of the world is just like, no, we don't want metallics, no. But I actually like metallics because I find them to be a good statement and to, like, especially to put on top of other lipsticks. Ooh, I love metallics. I'm sorry. I'm to a fault with that one. Ooh, and that's what the color looks like. I can't wait to try this out. Okay, so I think we are on my 5th product here, so let's see what it is. I think, do we want the smaller box or do we want the bigger box? Let's go with the smaller box and see what happens. Okay, so they're both wrapped in bubble wrap. Oh my goodness! Okay, so this is the Becca Volcano Goddess Gold Lava Highlighter. You guys, okay, so you don't know this, but I was actually really wanting to get this particular highlighter, but at the time that it came out, I was just short on cash and there were other things that I wanted, so I just didn't, I couldn't get around to getting it. Ooh, but I do not have this in my collection, and ooh, is that pretty. Ooh, is that pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And I actually really love the Becca Skin Perfector formula, so I am going to very much keep this, and let's just give it a little swatch here. Ooh, that's so gold. I swatched it up here in case you couldn't tell. Ooh, that is so gold. Ooh, pretty. Oh my gosh, and it's like there's flecks of pink in there too. Ooh, 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 I'm getting a little excited. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I was so nervous. Oh, no, wait, yes I can. So now to the last product, the one that's got everybody like in a huge nervous bunch because, you know, ooh, this could be a dud. This could be, I'm not even looking down. I'm not looking down because I just want to see it organically. It's covered in so much bubble wrap. Oh my gosh, okay, here we go. I feel glitter. I feel glitter. Here we go. You ready to experience this with me? It's the Sultry palette. Oh my gosh, it's the Sultry palette. Okay. So, long story short, this is the only Anastasia palette that I did not have. I was so nervous because I was seeing everybody's getting like the Soft Glam palette, and I think I saw a couple of the Subculture palettes out there too, and even a Modern Renaissance, and I was like, ooh, wow, we're throwing it back, aren't we? But I was so nervous because I have all of those. But I don't have the Sultry palette, so this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's so shiny. Oh, I'm actually really pleased with this. Okay, so just to recap, I got the Sultry palette. I also got the Becca Volcanic Goddess highlighter. I received the lashes in a box, and the Wayne Goss brush, the Sugarpill liquid lipstick, and finally the item that's coming soon to Beautylish, the peptide serum from Good Molecules. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I think I was pretty lucky. I'm pretty satisfied with this entire collection. Thank you so much, Beautylish. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this. I can't wait until next year. I can't wait until next year. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Make sure to check out those other 2 videos that I linked in wherever the cards are. One of them is my review of last year's beauty box after having all of the products in my possession after a year, and then the other one is, of course, last year's beauty box, or Beautylish Lucky Box. Oh my gosh, have I been saying that this entire time? I'm so sorry. Last year's Beautylish Lucky Box unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos from me, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, make sure to share it with your friends, your family, or anyone else whom you might like, or any other people who you know are just really thoroughly enjoying these Beautylish Lucky Bags unboxings. I think that's it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to comment down below. And until next time, you guys, stay lovely, and good luck on your lucky bags. Bye!